Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about how to standardize components. When running a schematic DRC check, you'll often see a warning saying, the component properties don't match the supplier number. It's recommended to use component standardization. Let's take a look at component causing the issue. Here, we can see it's a 2.546 pin killer. This one comes from a generic library, so it doesn't have a detailed part information or supplier number boundary. That's why the warning appears. To fix this, we need to use the device standardization feature. First, click on the device standardization panel. We can drag the window larger and find a section called Undetermined for better visibility. Here, the software is just replacing it with a standardized component. In most cases, simply using the recommended component works fine. Before replacing, make sure the suggested part meets your design requirements. If it matches, just click Replace. If it doesn't, you can assign one manually by entering the part number from LCSC. In this example, the recommended part matches what we need, so we go ahead and replace it. Once the replacement is done, the undetermined section disappears. Next, you might still see items listed under unsigned reference. If you don't want to check this, you can select all of them and set them to Do Not Check. That way will be ignored. And that's it. Device standardization is complete. If we run the DRC check again, there are no more errors or warnings. To summarize, the purpose of device standardization is to help you quickly link your schematic part to real components in LCSC, making it much easier to generate a BOM and purchase material later. Whether or not you enable these checks depends on your project needs.